Morning, everybody. We're here back at the swimming pool we're doing a renovation on, and our team has already fully prepped the swimming pool, getting it ready for our resurfacing job that's going to be taking place today. We have found inside of the swimming pool down here in the deep end, if we could tell, see these pocket holes that the older material was already starting to lift off. So we went ahead and they punched all that out, knocked it all out to get those smooth surfaces for the getting ready, also for these areas. So when we apply the new material, it's going to adhere well to the swimming pool. We've dug out all of the pool returns around the pool light, and we're doing around the main drains. So this job is getting ready, and we'll be plastering tomorrow. See you then. How's it going, everybody? Charles Lee Swimming Pools here, and today is Plaster Day. I'm actually en route to go and check on the job and take a look at my crew that's doing all the plastering right now, and make sure that everything is being done as the way that we want it to be done for our client. So we're almost here. We're turning in right now. Let's go check on them together. We've already gone through half a pallet. Almost all the cement. It must be almost done. Pon la mano en el saco, pon la mano en el saco, a ver si es la mitad más o menos. La mitad de eso, la otra mitad.
Vamos a ver lo que yo he hecho contigo, he hecho un hombrecito. Creo que va a sentir. Kalau berada pada tu bahaya lagi.
¿Cómo estás?
No, abre la puerta y sale con el tanque por ahí para afuera.
¿Eh?
Abre la puerta y sale con el tanque por ahí para allá. Ay, Dios. Lanza la puerta ahí para que no se moleste con nada. Un pude. Apellido Juan. ¿Te gusta mi vida? A la mala forma mía, porque Italia no va nada, pero el mío no es eso, me permite un monchecito de esa, grasecita. Ahora que vamos a ver que hizo una jugada y yo como juega. No está la que Andrés está conmigo, con el chico. Vamos a ver si yo permito Andrés conmigo dice una palabra más dicho, ¿sí, no? Sale un... Sale.
All right, y'all, we're back here in Weston at a project that we're doing. We are fully finished with the complete renovation of this swimming pool. We're about 90%, I would say about 98% done. We still have the marble top that we have on custom order right now that we're gonna be coming back to install that on there. But all in all, the plaster of the swimming pool is all done. Let's check it out. All right, we have all the plaster all done, fully cured, and we have our swimming pool filling up right now. Everything is seamless. Let's go take a look at our spa. It's already filled up with water, and we stopped it right before it goes over the spillway piece. Absolutely beautiful. This material came out so smooth to the touch. Even walls, even tiles, even floors. Can't wait till we come back and this pool is fully filled up. Start on our startup process, and we'll be doing an addition where we're going to be getting our marble piece and installing that there for the spa spillway. All new main drain covers. Virginia Graham Baker Act compliant, all new return jets all around, just looking an amazing job. So we have a few things left to do here. We'll be right back. One last thing, if you're looking for your swimming pool to get renovated with a high quality installation, high quality material, high quality workmanship, give us a call. We're the pros at this. We work diligently to get you the result and the pool that you want to have going forward from 2021 and beyond. Thank you so much. My name is Charles, Elite Swimming Pools. Our number is 954-732-1628.